मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why only me? Have you asked these questions to yourself? हमें लगता है यार कि सब कुछ बुरा हमारे साथ हो रहा होता है, बट हैव यू आस्क्ड योरसेल्फ कि ये जो हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ हर बार, why it is happening to you? कि एक ही चीज बार बार रिपीट होती हुई आ रही है. It's not because ये आपके साथ होता है, but you always attract it. And you know why? Because of your current negative emotional pattern. So if you don't know what is happening in this video, it's all fine. You can watch chapter 1 videos which has 4 parts, but if you don't want to watch 4 parts, it's okay. You can watch last 2 parts to understand what is happening in this video. As I promised you in last video, I make you able to understand your current negative emotional patterns so you achieve the 1% mindset and attract whatever you want in your life. Now you have to take a diary like this, or you can use your note app in your phone, whatever is comfortable for you. And then you have to write the timings from your wake up to the sleep time. Doesn't matter when you wake up. Maybe you wake up at 9 or sleep at 1 a.m. It doesn't matter. Just write the timings from wake up to sleep, and also keep the distance of 2 hours in between. Like if you wake up at 5, then 7, then keep 9, then 9, 11, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And then you have to set the alarm at 5, 7, 9, 11, 1, and so on. And once the alarm rings, you have to write what were you feeling in these hours. Let's suppose once you wake up, you see that maybe you felt lazy, you procrastinated, you felt guilty. Then at 7, you have to write what you have felt in these 2 hours. It could be anything, positive or negative. It's just that right now you just have to write all your emotions. Maybe you have felt multiple emotions. Write all of them. Doesn't matter what they are. Unhappy, guilty, motivated, dissatisfied, angry, happy, relaxed, whatever you were feeling. Do it for 24 hours at least. Would be better if you do it at least for 1 week. Then you will be able to recognize what are major emotions that you were feeling in your daily life. Maybe I felt at 5 a.m. lazy and 1 p.m. also lazy, or maybe 7 p.m. lazy. So you can see lazy is the dominant emotion in my life which I'm regularly feeling. Or maybe I feel guilty at 7, then again 1, then again 9, or the next day same. So you can see that these are some of the emotions which you are feeling on a daily basis. And you can also see that these are the particular timings when this negative emotion is coming again and again and again, which could help you to understand your physiology, focus and meanings, which I will cover in next parts. I'm also going to share my emotional patterns with you guys in stories, and there are only 2 rules of this exercise. First, you have to do it daily, and second, you have to be honest with yourself. But why do we need to change these emotional patterns, and how we can change these emotional patterns? Do you think I'm leaving you like this? Don't worry, we are going to cover in next few parts. Until then, take care.